Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the date on your KOBO Elipsa to E. So first, what we want to do is go over to more, and in here we need to go to settings, then date and time, and right here we will have our date. So we need to click on it, and here we can basically change it, as you guys can see. Now we selected the month. Here we can change the month and also a year. Now if we want to go back, then we can do just that, as you guys can see. So basically that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.